Oh, hello everyone. This is Almir, Victor Echo 3, Delta Alpha Lima. Uh, Today here we are at the cottage for Canada Day weekend, and I have my Delta Loop antenna mobile set up just behind me here, and so today we are going to operate it totally portable. Running about maybe 50 watts, and and this place is really great for mobile and portable operation. There's not much going on around, so the noise is very low. So I really enjoy operating at the cottage here. So since my last video, I was operating at home, my QTH in Ottawa, during the winter time, and I had set up a Moxion antenna for the 20 meters in my backyard. It's fixed. I cannot rotate it due to the space in my backyard, and it has been a lot of fun. I am a little bit limited in terms of who I can hear and stuff, but it's a really great antenna, and I'd rather an antenna like that than a vertical one, I would say. But well, finally, summer is here, so it's time to get out there and have some fun operating the radio outside. And so I'm going to show you a little bit my setup for the Delta Loop antenna that I have here. And this time I changed a little bit since last year. I am using a sort of a 2x6 piece of wood to for the base, and instead of the last year I was using a studio lighting tripod for the master post, and it was about 9-10 feet high, and with this one here I can go as high probably 15 feet up in the air. I could go even more, but it bends quite a bit, so I maybe next time I will be more prepared and have some strings to guide the master. And but it has been pretty good. This morning I was operating in here, and it was around 7:30 in the morning, and I heard Sydney, Australia, and that was really, I mean, the first time I ever heard Australian portable operation, and I could not talk to them because there was a huge pile up, and probably my signal wasn't that great. But anyways, I was just to hear Australian in a setup like this, it's amazing. So anyways, I'm going to show you a little bit my Delta Loop antenna setup. So here is the 2x6 that I have for the base. If I am in a park, I normally will drive it over here and to secure the 2x6. But today I just put some big concrete tiles in there, so that should be enough. And also this time I put a little bit of guide there to make the master pole not to bend too much. And there it is. It's a beautiful antenna. I love this antenna. It's one of the best antennas. The Moxion, the Delta Loop is definitely one of the best antennas you can have, and quite simple to make it, and it doesn't cost too much at all. Basically, it's just a speaker wire and a couple of fishing poles, and that's it, and a 4-1 balloon, and that's it. You're all set. All right, guys. So let's make some contact. Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima.
Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima 57 Park Kilo 1482 Wisconsin.
Roger, Michael. Thank you for the 57. I got you 57 as well, and today I am portable in Quebec, QSL.
Yeah, copy portable in Quebec. The 57. Thanks for having me today. I really appreciate it.
73, my friend.
Whiskey India 0 Oscar, Kilo, that's
Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima.
copy Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima QSL.
QSL, my friend. I have you 55, and today I am portable in Quebec, QSL.
QSL Quebec, I've also got you 55 in the Park Kilo 7 in Minnesota.
Roger, Roger. Thank you for the 5-5 and have a great day. 73, my friend.
Roger that, 73. Thanks for hunting. This is Whiskey India 0 Oscar.
Back again inside the car, and it's a beautiful day out there, but the mosquitoes are brutal. So I'm gonna operate inside the car, and it's a bit hot, but we are under the shade here, so it's not too bad actually.
Where is that?
Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima.
That's the Victor Echo 3 Delta again?
Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima.
What was the last character?
Lima.
Got it. Okay, Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima. You are about a 5-3 in the kilo, 1481 in Wisconsin, QSL.
QSL, my friends, thank you for the 5-3. I have you 5-7, and I am operating portable in Quebec, QSL.
QSL on Quebec. Appreciate you hunting out there. Hope you're having some nice weather today. I appreciate it. 73. Victor Echo Station again?
Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima.
Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima, is that right?
Roger, Roger.
I'll do is a 5-4 in the park kilo, 8126.
QSL, my friend, thank you for the 5-4 operating here mobile portable into Quebec, and I have you 5-3 QSL.
Roger, thank you very much for your help today.
QSL, my friend, thank you, 73.
73, square that. Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima, big signal, please copy my park kilo 4697. You're about a 5x7,
QSL, my friend, thank you for the 5-7. I have you 5-7 as well. I am operating portable in Quebec, QSL.
QSL, please stand by for second operator.
QSL.
Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima, this is Kilo Charlie 1, Papa Lima Lima, yours 5x7. Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima,
Roger, Roger, thank you for the 5-8. I got you 5-5, 55. I am portable in Quebec, QSL.
QSL, thanks for 5-5 portable today. Have a good summer today, celebration day, 10-3. Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima, and hard time getting that one out. You are a 5-5, 55 here at Kilo 2194,
QSL, thank you for the 5-5. I have you 5-5 as well. I am portable in Quebec, QSL.
QSL, thanks for hunting me down today. Thanks for being out there, 7-3. Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima, if I got that right, you are 5-8, Tennessee, Roger.
Roger, my friend, thank you for the 5-8. I have you 5-7, 57. I am portable in Quebec, QSL.
Roger, thanks for the 5-7 portable Quebec. I appreciate the call there, 73. Victor Echo 3 with a Delta Alpha Lima.
Roger.
Hey, I got you about 33 in Colorado.
Roger, thank you for the 33. I have you 5-3. I am portable in Quebec, QSL.
QSL, thank you for Quebec and portable actually, so have fun. Okay, BE3 Delta Alpha Lima. Okay, I believe you said in Quebec. I got you 5-6 into dual portable. You do pretty good. Get the park 3787. Victor Echo 3 station, come back.
Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima.
Is that Delta Alpha Lima as the suffix?
Roger.
Copy that. You're about a 5-5 into Park K0716. Victor Echo 3 Delta Alpha Lima, Almoner,
QSL, then is, I have you 5-5, 55. I am portable in Quebec, QSL.
Roger on the 55 in Quebec. Have you 5-3 in Illinois,
QSL, thank you for the 5-3, Dennis, and happy 4th of July, 73, my friend.
73, happy 4th, happy Canada Day. Alpha Delta 9 Whiskey Mike, QRZ.
What a great long weekend we had for Canada Day here at the cottage. It was a little bit quiet, more than usual, and that's because of the wildfires in northern Quebec. And so there was no fireworks allowed, or any type of fire outside. So it was quiet, but we had a great time, relaxing, and we did a little bit of kayaking, fishing, and yeah, and of course a little bit of ham radio, and did quite a few contacts, and had a lot of fun. And the antenna this time I was able to put a little bit higher than usual, for the portable setup, and that's because of the help of the type of the base that I built this time, and